because I have a good friend of mine, and she had my same problems, and she came here to Mitra. She talked to me about it, and she says she's very satisfied, so convinced me, so I come here also.
What treatment are you receiving today?
Well, I'm here for my third PRP treatment, my third injection today.
For your knee?
For my knee, exactly.
Okay. So, what were the symptoms in your knees before starting the treatment?
Well, the symptoms mainly was I had sharp pain on my meniscus and stiffness on my thighs, the muscles in the front and the back, and with the PRP is much more relief I found it.
So, why did you choose this treatment option?
Before I used a hyaluronic acid for maybe 2 years, but it was okay for maybe 3-4 months, and then had to do every 6 months, which I wasn't satisfied with. So speaking with my doctor, he recommended me to try PRP. And with the PRP, I found a big solution in the sense that it lasts 4 or 5 years with only just coming 3 injections. So found much more relief and more satisfying.
The doctor in your country, right?
Yes, that's the first time I used PRP.
And what made you decide to choose Mitra for your knee treatment?
Mitra because I have a good friend of mine, and she had my same problems, and she came here to Mitra. She talked to me about it, and she says she's very satisfied, and after 2 years she still have no more pain and walking, she's doing good. So convinced me, so I come here also.
That's so lovely. And how satisfied are you with the result of your knee injection treatment and your experience at Mitra?
Well, so far with the results, like I said, this will be my third injection, and I already feel less pain, and I'm walking much better, and and I'm feeling, well, yes, it's helping me. I have not too much stiffness on my thighs, and satisfied with Mitra. I found it all very satisfactory, very professional. I mean, even from the pre-injection, before doing the injection, having a massage, relaxing my muscles, and everything is perfect from the staff, from the doctors, from everything is very fine, very good.
Thank you so much. And you got X-ray first, right?
Right. Before the treatment, the X-rays, yes.
And you got physical therapy by using the radio frequency machine, right?
Yes. That's good for. That's why that helps for prepare my muscles, I think, and warm up, and I think send waves to relax the muscles, and when they do the injection, I don't feel nothing. That's the best part.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for the Mitra.